Hey guys, it's Andover Adam again, and a little birdie told me that you guys cannot get enough of Laundry Basket Quilts fabric. That's why today on Fresh Fabric Friday, we're going to show you six collections that we have from Laundry Basket Quilts right this second. Let's jump right into it. So the fabric collection I showed you at the top is called Bed of Roses, and it is one of the most elegant collections. It features 32 SKUs, beautiful main print, again with our little birdie friend there. Hello. We've got some beautiful roses, and then these are really nice, unique colors for Edita. You've got these beautiful teals, you've got wonderful purples and pinks, and again, it's very nice to see these floral, bright colors. And I know for a lot of us, spring is just around the corner, so why not make your winter village a spring village quilt? This is a beautiful pattern from Laundry Basket Quilts. It's using some of the Bed of Roses that we just showed, along with some of our other Andover collections. You're definitely going to want to check this out. Next up, we've got a twin pair of collections that you're going to love together. This Evergreen collection features some really elegant, beautiful toiles, as you can see here. We've actually got 4 different colors of this toile. You can also see how Edita's done an incredible job of giving you this ombre of different greens and different tones, and you're really getting a lot of different values there. And then we've got the matching collection in reds and pinks and creams. This Braveheart collection, you get these wonderful little details. Notice the polka dots in the top right, which are a calling card of Edita's. This time we've done it with a little bit of a multi-flair to it. We've got some pink bubbles, but we've also got some taupe bubbles as well. But nothing does justice to these collections like the quilts. This Frankenmuth quilt by Laundry Basket Quilts is a no-brainer. It makes great use of negative space, actually using that toile from the Evergreen collection in the background. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm really looking forward to taking a road trip the next chance that I can, whenever that's going to be. When you do finally get a chance to go, why not have this beautiful Tannenbaum quilt along for the ride? But maybe you're looking for something more majestic. In that case, perhaps this royal blue collection is going to be for you. Again, similar patterns from the other 2 collections, but in beautiful blues, ranging from these navies in the bottom left through these beautiful kind of aqua colors in the middle, and all the way over to some really nice browns and taupes on the right. But I can hear you saying, no, Adam, I want to make cool bags like Edita, or I want to make this made in the USA pattern that she's put together. How am I going to do that with just blue? Well, you're not going to do it with just blue, unless you want to. But I've got 2 other collections that just came into our warehouse. First, we have the Anna collection, which is named after one of Edita's daughters. It is a beautiful collection, ranging from deep dark reds into a beautiful pink, and again to those signature creams. Everything here is this beautiful different scale of polka dots, pin dots, little stripes, again with dots. Sensing a theme here? I am. And then this is the latest collection to hit our warehouse from Laundry Basket Quilts. This is her signature style collection. These are the kinds of fabrics that everyone needs for their stash, because inevitably you end up with all these rich saturated prints and all these reds and blues and greens and everything, but you really need these neutrals in order to tie everything together. You could not ask for a better collection to do that with. Thank you so much again, everyone, for joining us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. If you want more Laundry Basket Quilt fabric, let me know in the comments. We've got so much more we can show you. Make sure to visit her website at laundrybasketquilts.com, and of course our website, andoverfabrics.com. Until next time, be safe, be well. We'll see you again soon. Take care.